Hey guys, today I have a unboxing right here. This came from IPSY, and what I'm about to show you is a mystery bag, a Valentine mystery bag, and it came in this box. And I also got a hair care bundle also when I ordered the Valentine mystery bag. So here, I'll put that back in how it was. So I went ahead and cut the tape before filming, and here are all the goodies. So all the loose stuff is the hair care stuff, except for one item, I believe, goes in for the Valentine mystery bag, and here's what the bag looks like. So we have a pastel pink and like a purpley plum color. The back says IPSY. And then I see there's a makeup item in the box, so I guess it wouldn't fit. So let's go ahead and check this out, and then we'll open up what's in the bag. So, this is from the brand Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette, and here's what it looks like. Ooh, cute. I've never tried anything from the brand. Here's the outer packaging. Ooh, cute. So we've got a mirror, and it does fold back, and here are all three colors. We've got Athena, Daphne, and Ursula or something. I don't know, we kind of have a pinky, and then a peachy, and then a corally color blush, I guess. That's cute. Here's a better look at the blushes. So I'm excited for that. And I have no idea what's supposed to be in the bag. Little mix of stuff, I guess. So I'm assuming that goes with that, because the bundle I have is hair care. So here's the bag. And let's pull out the first thing. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is Look At Me, I guess is the brand. Cute. So it's a sweet honey bear face mask, soothing and nourishing for all skin types. 0.7 fluid ounce. So we've got a face mask. Oh, it comes with two. I believe I see two in there. Cute. The next thing is a Butter Balm hand cream, triple citrus blend, and it's delectable. I think it's from Cake Beauty, I believe, and it comes with 30 milliliter or 1 fluid ounce. Let me see if it's got a seal. Okay, so it's got a seal. Let's open her up. Ooh. That seems like it'll smell nice. I needed some hand cream too, because my hands are literally dry as crap. That smells really good. It smells lemony. Ooh, I like that smell. Very nice. I never think about putting hand cream on. Okay, so the next item. Ooh, what do we have in here? It's bubble wraps. Dang it. I shouldn't have put the hand lotion on. Fuck, can't get it out. My hand. So I'm going to go on to the next item till the hands aren't so slippery. Okay, so the next item I pulled out looks like a lip gloss, and it's from the brand Beauty For Real. Never heard of this brand. It's in the shade Sunlight Lip Gloss, 2.4 milliliters. It's like a little sample size. And it's got a plastic seal. Let me see if I can get it. Alright. Ooh, it smells minty. Here is what the dofa looks like. Barely looks like it has any color on it. Smells like it could be a plumping gloss. Definitely doesn't get much product. Yeah, it definitely smells minty. So here's what Beauty for Real. Alright. And this is the last item. Ooh, cute. So it looks like we have a heart keychain. Or a little chain thing. Cute. So we got one. So we got a face mask, too. We got a Valentine keychain. We got hand cream or a hand balm. We got, so that's 3. We got a lip gloss, 4. We got a blush palette, so 5. And then this. So that is 6 items. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out of the bubble wrap. And this is called Space Case Cosmetics, I guess is the brand. And Scene from Space Highlighter. Trying to see if I can find a color. Anyways, let's open her up. I think I've tried one thing from this brand. I think I have a small eyeshadow. So here's what the product looks like. And it says Scene from Space. So I'm guessing that's the shade name. So here's a closer look. So here's that. Dang it, I forgot I put lotion on, but here is the swatch. I do like it. I like that it does not have glitter. I do not really like glitter in my highlighters. And it has 2.5 grams of product. So that's nice. So that is everything that came in the Valentine Mystery Bag from IPSY. Now, the other items came as a bundle, and it's a hair bundle. So the first item that came in this bundle is Silky Repair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. And it's like a huge ass tub. I've never tried this. None of these products I've ever tried. It came with Better Natured Good Clean Care Color Care Deep Conditioning Balm. And it's like a deluxe sample size. You get 2 fluid ounce. Ooh, it smells really nice. And the Silky is sealed. So if I have time, I'll open it. Ooh, let's see what this is. This is from the brand Eden Body Works. And this is a leave-in conditioner, coconut shea butter, refresh and renew. Also a deluxe sample. 2 fluid ounce. And this is a leave-in conditioner. And that smells just like coconut. What was the other one? The other one's a deep conditioning balm that you would rinse out. Alright, we got one more item in this hair care set. And this is from, I guess, the brand 12 Benefits. And it's Dry Clean Invisible Oil Absorbing Dry Shampoo. 3.25 ounce. Never heard of this brand. I was trying to see if I could smell a smell, but no. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to, oh, yep. I want to see what this big-ass tub smells like. And this is a conditioning hair mask. So it's got a little seal. Oh, wow. And that's what it looks like. And I know I just got some on my nose, but I do not think I like the smell too much. I don't know. Alright, so I have one more thing that I'd like to show you guys, and this was from Walmart website, and I finally got me a small skincare fridge. This is what it looks like. It's from the brand Spa and Science, I'm guessing is the brand name. They had this bad boy, and it says Skincare Beauty Fridge right there. So let's open her up. I just got it. I haven't opened her up yet. I just took it out of the other packaging. Let me take it out of the box. Alright, so I took her out of the out of the box, and this is what she looks like. So cute. Comes with a handle. So this is like one of them little mini fridges. Here's what the back looks like. Okay, so it does have cold and hot at the bottom. And I believe you can plug it into your car outlet. Let me stick it on this shoulder. And here's how you open her up. So it's got a little latch. And here is the little side door. Cute. So here's that. You can put a little bit of skincare. And then we've got the plug-in. I guess you can, I don't know if it's two different cords or what. So you've got this little top section in the bottom. And, yep, you can slide the shelf out if you need something taller. And then it's got this little tiny shelf in the door. And it latches shut, and I've always wanted one. And so, yeah. So you can turn it hot or cold, and you can also use it in your car, I believe. Because it's got one of these. Actually, I don't think you can. I think some of them you can. I'm not real sure, though. But it does change from hot to cold. No, I think it's just a regular plug. So here is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm super excited to finally have a skincare fridge. And I love that you can take it with you. And that could be used as a lunchbox, I guess. So yeah, this was on sale. And so I went ahead and snagged it up. And all that good stuff. And yep, I'm happy with the Valentine IPSY bag, and I'm excited to try out all the new hair care. So yeah, and I can't wait to try out my new fridge. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.